It's 2:17 a.m. on Wednesday, and the rain's coming down really hard. And you guys probably can't see it very well. This is my back patio. But you can hear it coming down really hard. The sound of it is just wild. So I thought I'd share a little bit of what's happening right now. Remember, I'm in the Northwest, so there's that bomb cyclone happening. It's been raining since the 23rd. It was really windy yesterday, too. I'm into watching movies. It's tossing and turning. Last night, so I got up. It started raining. I thought, oh, let's record some sounds. Oh, it's a little spider. It's like, dude, it's raining. Dry land. You know, if you can see the trees, that's pretty cool. You can kind of see the trees swaying back and forth. Well, kind of. Kind of glad I left my tarp up. Anyway, I wonder when the cyclone's going to go by or finish.